Hello, my name is Bednarzyk. I'm a new vibration analyst here at Technical Associates. A little bit about my past. I went to Walter State Community College for mechanical engineering, got my associates there. And then from there, I went to an electric motor repair shop in Knoxville, Tennessee. There I started my electrical engineering degree. And then I went to a couple of different motor shops after that where I got into predictive maintenance, mainly vibration, started some infrared. And then my big stint was 3 years at a motor shop in Georgia. I started my bachelor's degree there at Kennesaw State University, and I did a number of things there. Anything from motor manufacturing, I managed that side of it, to vibration, infrared, PDMA testing, lots of different testing there. And then after that, I went to a company, a tire company, where I managed a program. We did vibration, infrared, ultrasound, and PDMA testing there. Managed that for right at a year, and then found myself here at Technical Associates. The opportunity came up, and they are the best in the industry for vibration. So it's an opportunity that we needed to jump at. So I'm excited to be here. Can't wait to see where I go, and I look forward to maybe seeing some of you guys out in the field.